Hello everyone. So this is my very first vlog post, video blog. I'm just gonna tell you about a little adventure I had out in our garden. Here, let me show you real quick. So you see out where that tomato is? So right about that spot, I was out digging a hole for that plant, and I hit something really hard. After a little bit of digging, I found out it was this little block of concrete. No idea how long it's been there or why it was there, what its purpose was, who put it there, any of that. But every time we rode it to the garden, the road always jumps and skips and jitters and jerks at us at that spot, and I figured that was the reason, so we better deal with it. Obviously not that one chunk. I kept digging and kept finding more and more and more. Just a moment. And this little bucket full. All in all, approximately 60 pounds of concrete stuck down in that one little patch. We have no idea how it got there, why it was there, any of that. And yeah, it was a lot of fun to dig up. That's not the only one we found. The other one we found, it was in one piece. It was 3 feet or closer to 5 feet closer to the fence. We're just wondering what on earth those are doing there, how they got there, and if we're going to dig up more. So yeah, that was kind of a crazy little adventure. If any of you know why that might have been there, there were no holes in it or anything. Sorry for that. As you can see, how Hummingbird feeder works. So yeah, it just blows my mind that there was that much in one spot. We didn't find. We've been living here for 11 years, and we've had this garden going in that spot almost all 11 of those years. We plant things in different areas, so it's possible that we didn't actually dig in that spot until recently, but I'm really wondering what on earth is waiting out there. We keep finding little treasures like that all over the place. Just a moment. So, out over here by the fence, if you can see that kind of empty garden area, there used to be a bunch of choke cherries growing there. They were nice plants, but they were getting completely out of hand. They'd grown totally wild, so we decided we were going to dig them out. And during that process, we found some really interesting little knickknacks. This is my favorite. We think it was a model bathtub. It's fun because the spigots, they're rusted now, but I'm pretty sure at one point those actually turned. So yeah, I think this was a little more than just a little dollhouse. I think it was actually used to try to sell that bathtub. We found this. Who knows how long it's been there. I think it was like 4 racquetballs just hiding in that mess. And there was the top half of a fishing pole. Part of us thinks that there was something buried at the end, but for the life of us, we cannot remember exactly where that was put. Yeah, a whole ton of broken glass. It wasn't good, but we also found a few spoons. I think some kids were out digging or something in that area for the previous owners of the house and just kind of left them there. So yeah, I'm curious. Any of you found anything really interesting in your gardens while you've been working in them? Go ahead, comment below if you have. I would like to hear these stories. Anyway, thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one. Take care.